In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the primer ball on this Stihl Backpack Blower. It's a very easy job that you can do at home yourself in just a few minutes. I'm going to make it real easy for you. This is Rudy from Take a Bath Productions with another video showing you how to fix various things. If you're new to my channel, consider clicking on that subscribe button below. And if you found that this video was helpful for you, click that like button. Okay, so without further ado, let's dive right in. So the first thing you're going to want to do is take these covers off. You're going to have two screws here for the air cleaner, two screws up here that are rather obvious, and two screws that are kind of hidden under here. I'll take a still shot of that so you can see what I'm talking about in there. This is a T27 size Torx. That's T for Torx, 27. And it's like a star six-sided bit. If you don't have a 27, a T25 will work, but the 27 actually fits it much better, so that's the size. Yeah, I just wanted to give you an idea where these screws here between the gas tank and the motor were at. There's one here. Here's a picture of it. It might be a little bit blurry. The camera couldn't focus in there. But there's where it's at. And then the other one, kind of have to look for it because there's some wires in the way. And it's over here. If you lift up right there, you can get to it. So you'll see it once you stick your head in there and shine a light maybe if you can't find it. And you'll have to take off the starter pull cord. If you notice, the screws that I took out earlier were more aggressive screws for plastic, and these, here's a picture of the plastic screws, and these are machine screws, and these are like finer screws. Here's a close-up picture of those. And to get the cover off, you'll have to pull the spark plug wire, and it goes straight up like that. And just work it through there. So changing this primer ball is very easy. I just about can't show you what I'm talking about in here, but if you look here, see there's a tab here and a tab here. You can get to one of these tabs. Looks like the one on the bottom. And also, if you notice that one nipple here is longer than the other, and you're going to have to take note of that. The easiest way to do that is right here. If you'll notice the way this has got this little bump right here, see that? Right there. The plastic in here is cut out to accept that bump. So as long as you don't mix the hoses up, upper and lower hoses, you won't have to take anything apart to figure out where anything goes. But do be careful with those hoses and try not to put a hole in them while you're trying to get them off of the primer ball. Otherwise, you're going to have to take it all apart and replace the hoses. Just kind of grab them with some pliers and just be very careful not to put holes in them. There we go. Got that one off. Don't mix up the top and the bottom. Otherwise, it's not going to run right. Keep them in their groove. Now that you got the hoses off, you can work. There we go. Work it loose. I don't know if you can see right here where that cutout is. Make sure that's facing the right way. And then put that puppy back in there. Try to get it started on the hoses as you're pushing it in. And then just use the pliers to push the hoses on carefully. I'm sorry if I'm getting in the way, I can't see. Yep, looks like they're on all the way. And now's a good time to go ahead and put gas in the tank and make sure your primer ball is pumping. Now I'm going to have to pump it a few times because I had the tank drain and the hoses too. Oh yeah, there it goes. That's it. That's how you change a primer ball. So from this point on, we're just going to put the covers back on and give it a test.